Guys, it's another beautiful day here in sunny Southern California. Today I'm down at the marina doing some other stuff, but I wanted to take a few minutes to share with you guys a little bit about my new light setup. This light setup here is made by a company called TYRI lights. Now, TYRI lights have been around for a long time, but they're actually relatively new to this off-road kind of space. But they have been known for the mining industry, for the heavy equipment industry, for all of these real industrial industries that need lighting that is going to be super durable, super tough, well made, that will stand the test of time through the elements, that will give you a long lasting light and take plenty of damage doing it. That's why these lights are going to make their way into this off-road space very, very nicely. I'll get a little bit more geeky with the tech specs in a minute, but let me tell you a couple things just about the lighting right off the top. These guys here are made in the USA. Now, their lights are actually, they source the LED panels like everybody else, but they bring everything back here. I believe it's in St. Louis, and that's where they do all their manufacturing and ship to customers from there. So you can guarantee that you're gonna have a USA made light here. They also add tons of value to the lights. And what do I mean by that is, when you go and you buy a light, especially some of the popular brands out there, you want an amber cover, it's another $5. You want to get a cover on the light, it's another 15 bucks. You need this, you need that. It's all an added fee, added fee, added fee. But what comes in the box with these lights is the light itself, an amber lens, a regular lens, and a cover for the light. That way you are all geared up for whatever you want when you install lights onto your rig. Now, I know I said this before, but aside from being built in the USA, the company's history in mining, in military, and in heavy equipment have made these lights to be super durable. TYRI lights are all tested to the highest standards in the industry. They're IP69K rated. That means they're pretty much dust proof, they're pretty much waterproof, and the K means that they actually tested these things in the extremes. Every light gets tested in a chamber that measures the output of the lumens. So these guys, when they have a lumen rating on their box, that's exactly what you're getting. In today's market, you will find that everything is made disposable. It's pretty much you use it until it breaks and you toss it away and you buy a new one. These lights here are actually made to be rebuilt. Think about their origins, right? In the mining industries and in the heavy equipment industry and even in the military industry. You can't just run out to 4-Wheel Parts or to Quadratech or wherever else and just pick up another light when you need one. You need your lights to function well, and if anything goes wrong, you need to be able to fix them. One of the best things about this light is the vibration isolation system, because when you take these lights and you put them on big heavy equipment and things like that, there's no suspension. The light or anything that you have bolted onto that big old beast of equipment is just going to take a beating. It's going to absorb all of the vibration, all of the shock, and that's really going to end up damaging, in this case, the light. So TYRI put the system in to kind of absorb all of that vibration, all of that shock, gives it that little vibration and shock resistant kind of quality to it, built right into the base of a light, so the light itself doesn't take any damage. When it comes to the look of a Jeep, I really love a beefy industrial light. You'll notice the housing on this is thinned so well to put off the heat. You know, again, when you're used to the conditions that these lights are used to having to work in, you need to have them built to where they can be on 10, 12, 14, 16 hours at a time and not overheat. So the fins in the back are super thick. The housing itself is made out of all aluminum. Like I said, it's dust and water resistant, has a shock absorbing system built into it. It's 4,600 lumens, and it comes in at around 260 bucks a light. I think it's like 258 bucks retail light, which is actually not a bad price at all when it comes to being able to buy a light that you know that you only have to buy one time. Remember, the configuration of this light will come with the white lens, but it also has that extra amber lens in the box that makes it easy just to kind of swap them out whenever you want. I actually run amber lenses on my Jeep all the time just because I like them, but I wanted you guys to see the white lens as well. So I went ahead and just switched out the amber lenses back to the white lenses. Takes about 2 minutes, and you guys get a good look at the white ones. Guys, you can check out a full catalog of TYRI lights over at TYRIlights.com. Just know as we speak, they are really building out their off-road department. They're leaning into this industry because they want to bring their quality lights to us off-roaders. The owners of Jeeper, my man Eric over there, he used to run the digital marketing over at Quadratech, moved over to TYRI Lights to run their off-road division. He's there. These are guys that wheel and know what we need on these trails and are trying to give it to us. So guys, check out the lights, pick yourself up a set. You won't be sorry.